What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm super excited to be back and share this engagement session behind the scene video with you. Many of you have been asking me when I will upload new videos, and because of your support I will start making more videos and share my experience and tips with you. In today's video I will show you full engagement session, lighting setup for some of my shots, and what gear I've used for each image. I also wanted to ask you for your help. If you can help me figure out what format is better for my videos, is it a voiceover as you can hear right now, or you want to see me talking in front of my camera and then showing videos? Also, please let me know in the comments what videos you like to see next. Let's talk about gear now. For this engagement shoot I used my main camera 5D Mark IV. I'm always using the same lenses for all of my engagements, which is Canon 35 1.4, Canon 1635 2.8 and 85mm 1.4, and also I borrowed Canon 50mm just to test it out. For the lighting I've used Flashpoint Explore 600 with Glow Easy Lock Silver Beauty Dish and Yongnuo 560 with Mag Grid from Magmod. Before starting, I'm breaking down the process to my clients of how our photo shoot will go. This way they will feel more confident, relaxed, and understand what I want them to do. I'm explaining to them that I will guide them and tell how they need to pose exactly and what they need to do. But I can't turn on their emotion switch. They need to forget about everything and just enjoy each other in the most lovely way possible, and I will capture that. I'm also very honest with my clients. If I don't like how it's looking in the back of my camera, I will let them know that I don't like it and let's change it and make it even better. In the end of the day, this is why they are hiring me.